Hello everyone, this is Opu from Opu Art. Uh, Today is the tutorial number 18 of the 3ds Max series. So in the last time we discussed about the shape types, I mean the line, rectangle, circle, ellipse. Okay. You can create a custom shape out of it. So let's say with the line you can create like something like this. Okay, so the point is you have to make it uh, this is 2D, you have to make it 3D. Okay, this is the point, that you have to make it 3D. Like this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. Okay, so like the geometry section, these are the standard primitives as we discussed, that this one, box, cone, okay, the cylinder, all the things, and these tubes. Okay, these you can use a creating your model, but in the real world you have to create a custom 3D model. So you have to, maybe you have to combine this both. I mean this is the shape part and this is the geometry part, so you have to combine them. How can you do that? So as we can see in the shape part, these 12 items, they are also a kind of starting kind of elements, that you have box, you have circle, you have whatever an n-gon and all that, and they are coming with their own parameters, like this, that you can make, you can come up um, with the cones, and then if you increase the slides, you can make it round like a circle. And if you decrease this will be a cone, just like three edges. Okay, so these parameters are also limited, because you cannot go beyond this. To make your own shapes, to make your own shapes, it is important to go one step further. So what you can do is, let's say, a rectangle. Okay, just take a rectangle. What you can do here, uh, let's say the parameters. Okay, so what you can do, you just click on right click. Okay, the right button click, and okay, to convert it 3D, I mean from 2D to 3D, there is one element called modifier. You can see the create section on the top section. There is one item called the modifier. Okay, the modifier. So the list of, when you click on this item, the modifier list, you have to go to the extrude section. Extrude means you can extrude it, you can vertically expand it. Like if you click on extrude, see what happens on the rectangle. Extrude, it becomes solid, and with the amount, you increase the amount, it becomes a box. You see, it becomes a box. So the one modifier actually responsible for creating 2D out of out of 3D out of 2D shapes. Let's say I'm creating this irregular shape, okay, and this is 2D. So when I go to the modifier and just go to the extrude section, extrude, find out the extrude, where is E? Mm, yeah, extrude, okay. You see, when I click on extrude, immediately it's becoming a solid kind of shape. This shape is not even there, I mean, in the geometry. Let's say I will create an ellipse or a text. Let's say the text. So I just click on the text and typing my name, A P U O A R T art. Okay, and I just click on the extrude. Click on E, extrude. Okay, you see this is 3D 3D text now. Okay, 3D text, and you can increase your amount and increase your segments, like these segments. Okay, you can increase your segments if you need. Okay, okay, and then this is the ellipse, and also this is the uh, text, edge, arc, ellipse, circle. Okay, you can do the extrude modifier, apply on extrude modifier, extrude, yeah, you see. So the extrude modifier is responsible for creating creating a geometry out of the shape. So this kind of shape you cannot find in the standard primitives or standard geometry line. So the text, engon, and the circle, ellipse. Okay, this is the ellipse. We okay, the donut part. Okay, this is a donut part. Okay, or you can yeah, this may be a donut. Okay, you just go to the press E on the keyboard, find the extrude. Okay, you see this is a donut, 3D donut. uh, the max is giving you a 3D donut. Okay, so the only modifier I'm doing this with, the only modifier is the extrude modifier. So you have to create 3D. So let's say the combination of for geometry and the shape. So how to create the 3D shape out of a 2D shape? It's you have to just make a 2D shape. Let's say a irregular shape like this. Okay, and you just apply on extrude modifier, extrude. Go to the modifier and you just apply on extrude modifier. Okay, so you can create this kind of shape. So extrude means expand it vertically. Okay, so this is what is, and this is, you see on the corner that white light is on. If you off it, you can go back to the actual shape. If you on the extrude amount is appear, and the value is also, you can increase the value. So this type of shape is very it's realistic, because you don't Sometimes you don't find a regular shape in the world, so this kind of shape is very effective for creating city layouts or something. like imagine this is a building footprint, or these are the floors or something. Okay, the donut is also a building. So imagine this is, let's say I'm creating a road network, crossing road. Let's say let's say this one and this one. Okay, and you can go to line, getting the shape. Okay, this, this. Okay, make sure to close the line after using. Make sure to close the line. Okay, something like this, something like this. Okay, okay, I'm just showing you roughly. Okay, select all, go to modifier, extrude them, extrude E, extrude. Okay, later I will show you how to join the the shapes, so it will be not overlapping like this. You can see. So the one point is to show you that you can create this kind of custom 3D shapes out of the 2D shapes. So okay, so this is how you can make 3D shape out of your 2D shapes, or 3D object out of you know uh, 2D shape. So okay, the next part, I will go on some more modifiers, and then go to the next section. So remember, extrude is one of the main modifier. So you just go to the modifier list and go to this drop down, and you can find the modifier. Okay, so I will go to the modifier next, and this is a advanced part of shape creation. So thank you all, thank you.